October 1st, and we're doing the chef's table at Napa Rose, and this is for a very belated birthday for me.
You get to see all the expediting.
Fire table 35.
So this is your heirloom tomato salad. Underneath is a yogurt creme with heirloom tomatoes, touch of cucumber as well, and falafel croquettes. And here is your golden offset caviar. So this caviar is nice and golden. What gives that golden color is the grayish hue on the outside, blended with the yellow that's inside, held up to the light, gets a little bit gold. Underneath is an avocado mousse. A little bit of the Skuna-based salmon tartare from British Columbia and creme fraiche. And what I'm pouring here, this is your aguapaza, some cucumber and lime juice. Enjoy.
Thank you.
It was. FYI, how even played it. It was. She was hand mashing the potatoes in that pan.
Here, puree with fava beans and juices. Pardon my read. This is duck confit and roasted beet salad with beet cheeks up top. Enjoy. Brian might talk to us more about it here.
Only needed it for puree to give it that nice kind of feel. A little bit of organic roasted carrots. The green dots around the outside is a carrot top. Pesto, the yuzu fold. And our scallops are U8 scallops on the main and seared and clarified.
Wow.
You have our brand new duck salad. Big on oats, French recipe, green beans, crispy duck confit, frisee, radishes, and then roasted beets that have been raised in our house-made
Braised Colorado lamb, our roasted chicken, galantine. This one has no mushrooms. Autumn sauteed vegetables.
Chicken galantine is a French cooking technique of cooking good. What you do is you get a whole chicken. The Sonoma County chicken is a Rocky chicken. You debone the whole chicken.
Okay.
Take the breast meat, breast plate out. The carcass is completely different. Right? And then with the legs, you're making it into a force meat. Think about chicken meatballs. You put it through a meat grinder, and you pound out the skin. And you put the thigh meat into a force meat. You lay it out. You're cutting the chicken breast and the tenderloin, separating it, and you're rolling it into different herbs. Right? So that kind of creates almost like a mosaic. So the
Okay.
outside is your force meat, and in the center are the breast meat. And then we trust it, we roast it, and the true beauty is the whole emotion that we're cooking. So
Okay.
you're getting all these different textures. You're getting the crispy skin.
Yes.
The force meat from the outside is basting it back into the protein, right? So keeping the white meat more moist. So
Yeah, it was incredible. It was just fabulous. And like I said, when I first thought chicken, I mean, I barely make chicken at home. I'm like, it's
we're not
chicken.
gonna give you a piece of chicken.
That was incredible.
Yeah, we gotta step it up.
Somebody's wrong with Italian style Waldorf sausage. Chopped up for This is crazy. There's no portobello mushroom fish. So we call it a cappuccino because it looks like a cappuccino. It has a thyme frosted shaped black burgundy truffle.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Biscuits.
Yep.
This particular focaccia is done in a California style. That really means is there's a sourdough starter. Typically, focaccia is really known for that nice soft texture, but this you're gonna have a little bit of texture to it, a little bit of bite, but it's really soft and delicious, and it's inlaid with some rosemary and some feta salt. I know you have some allergies, so I'm gonna go over each sauces with you. This is our Parmesan aioli. It has garlic, cheese. Our Sandra tomato pesto does have dairy and has nuts. We have our white bean velvet. It's bean, garlic, and lemon, and extra virgin. I think you're pretty much covered, right? Because you're just mushrooms, right?
Yeah, just mushrooms.
For intermezzo, we have a lemon sorbet with lemon granita. Enjoy.
Thank you. I'm sorry, what is this?
That's a fillet.
Filet with pepita?
With pepita dust on top.
Ah,
That's that with
gotcha.
that beautiful little streak on the
Gotcha.
top there.
The gold.
Yeah. Oh, I like that.
The gold band.
Gold.
The pepita
And then the New
dust.
York here with the hot chili.
Ooh,
So pretty. Enjoy.
thank you.
And we have our ribiola cheese inside, our puff pastry with the peach relish and fava beans underneath.
Oh,
Enjoy.
thank you.
Welcome.
We'll take that pumpkin.
The who what?
There?
Hair. Ah, gotcha. Thank you.
Enjoy.
These were
Your single origin white chocolate santorum with a milk chocolate chantilly. And your s'mores, toasted marshmallow ice cream with graham cracker cake.
Since the kitchen is shutting down, I guess I'll be shutting down my review. Overall, was an excellent meal. I would highly recommend this to anyone, at least to try and get this one-time experience. I would say the low light probably of the courses was the cheese course. My wife definitely didn't like that, and I only thought it was okay to good. Other than that, a minor complaint, her steak was a little cold, but the filet was definitely really tender. There were some other complaints, but I'm chalking that up to just preferences, not so much about the food itself. Service was exemplary. I thought the timing of the courses was very good, and that's about it.